Hi, this is the Chronos EZ430 watch from Texas Instruments, and it has an accelerometer inbuilt and it can wirelessly transmit its data using this RF dongle to my computer. And I wrote a small piece of code to demonstrate this. The watch is in accelerometer mode now. It's basically a snake game, so you tilt the watch to control the snake.